Welcome to How to Build a Web App on FlutterFlow. My name is Jack, and I'm the founder and creator of BizRise.io, an AI-powered web app I developed on the no-code, low-code platform called FlutterFlow. Let's take a look at what we're gonna do. The first thing I want to do when I get started here is I'm gonna get logged in, but this is gonna be an example of how to optimize a process with AI. Put in my details here and we'll get rolling. This is what I will be teaching in the upcoming class, how to build a web app on FlutterFlow. But let's say I want to start a school community and optimize this process. And what I'm going to be teaching is how to build a web app. So I'm going to do it on that. What I decided to do was to develop an process optimization example into my web app to show you what I'm going to be teaching and how to build a web app. We are going to develop this app. My community name is going to be how to build an AI powered web app with FlutterFlow. Okay, and we're going to start the assist. Wanted to put some gamification in there. They teach in school. It does work. Skill 1, let's go developing AI powered FlutterFlow apps to optimize a process. And this is what I will be teaching you how to develop. And it's a no code, low code app. You can do this. And especially if you have some good design skills, come help me out so I can get better at my design. I'd appreciate it. Developing Vertex AI assistants to help us grow and scale our school communities. We are going to use the outputs from our app to make AI assistants. I mean, we're optimizing, right? And skill 3, teaching tutorials live on YouTube and Twitch. Okay, 3 skills. Let's put them in and it's going to generate a target market for me. What's going on now is the web app is taking our inputs, sending it to Gemini, say, hey, my goal was to create this course for my skills. What would my target market and niche be? And here's going to be our output. So let's check out our target market. Developers, entrepreneurs, marketers, anyone interested in using AI. So I like that. It's going to give me some pretty good information to get started, and it's going to start us off really on the right path. But AI powered solutions for school communities and business automation. So if we're really going to focus in on that's what it's going to be. And I think I'm going to add to it, I'm going to add website designers, and I'm going to add e-commerce store owners. They're already familiar with designing websites and putting together Shopify or whatever e-commerce websites. So it makes sense because developing a FlutterFlow web app really isn't that much of a jump after it. Plus you get more control. It's just a little bit of a step up and you can really offer a better offering to your clients. It's crazy. So I'm going to save that there. And the next thing we're going to do is identify problems within my niche that might create opportunities. For example, most people don't know about the available tech and the ease of use. No access to a classroom setting to develop an app. And then 3, there is a fear that they won't understand the tech and won't get started. Let me be clear right now. Okay, you need to hear this. You can do this. They've made it incredibly easy, beginner friendly. I started from YouTube videos. I promise you can do this, okay? So we're going to click save on this and see what goes to the next step. Now it's going to give us some opportunities, like let's take those problems and how can we make that into an opportunity for our school community? Let's see, knowledge gap in AI and ML, foundational understanding. Okay, some intro courses, resources, right? Let's see, affordable user-friendly development tools. Okay, we're looking good there. We're going to show you how to develop an AI-powered web app on FlutterFlow. User-friendly, beginner, no coding experience required. Apprehension, fear of AI, just concerns. I'm going to do it with you every single day. You can do this, I promise. I'm going to teach you this exact process. Like how we're setting up this school community, we're going to build that for your first example of a web app. And we'll go into the rest of BizRise.io after this. We need to get some channels or courses we like on YouTube. Naturally. Gotta get mine. You better like and subscribe right there. That AI dude, we're gonna put that one in. And we're gonna go Pilates for pirates. Hang with me. I was doing these examples late at night. And Jumbo's heavy iron. It was for a workout facility or a personal trainer, all right? And then we're going to click Save Channels. Coffee all day, baby. So now what is working for me and how to build a web app? So future forward web app bizrise.io. That's what we're doing this process on right now, and I'm going to teach you how to do. We are getting better at videos, and we are promoting web app and course, although we need to improve on this. So that's the goal, like what's working, but how can we improve? All right, save what works there. Let's see what the output is. All right, develop AI powered chatbots. We will do that. ML, we're gonna build some AI tools. We are gonna automate some email stuff. We're gonna do some prospector stuff. And we're gonna enhance Gemini into our web app process like we're doing right now. We're giving Gemini the prompts. It's gonna return to us, hey, what's working? How can we do better? What are we gonna do value add wise? So now we offer one-on-one tech consulting that is available in our school community. We are going to give you a free school community, set up a SIST. That's what we're doing right now. We're going to do that for you when you sign up for our how to build a web app course. Not only are we going to teach you how to build a web app, but we're going to teach you how to set up your own school community to monetize that as well based on your skills, hobbies, or interests. And value 3, we do live stream. So that is support, tutorials, coaching, and examples. We just do it live. It's easier, way more efficient, right? You just set up and go. We're going to save that value add. And now from those few prompts, what we're going to do is we're going to spool up the rest of the course. I'm just going to save and move on. I trust what Gemini is doing. Okay, so now we're going to generate the rest of the outline for how to build a web app. This is available in the school community. The outline's available. But I wanted to do this as an example to show you the process we're going to optimize with AI. Because in order to make AI effective, you're going to need to optimize a process. That is specific to so many individuals out there. But how do you do that? Well, you need a platform for it to live on, which is FlutterFlow, where you can have good, future forward, just awesome tech input areas, which provides a great customer experience on a future forward UI. And you're going to hear me say future forward a lot. But it's clean, people like it. You're going to be able to use Gemini. We can install Vertex AI search and conversation agents that can also bring value to your users, right? Make AI profitable, you got to optimize a process. The sooner people learn how to optimize theirs, the quicker they can find that path to monetization. Let's take a look. We have our target market, our niche, problem solvers, what's working, value adds. We have free offer ideas, pricing ideas, how to price it out, how to create a sense of urgency, some bonus offer ideas, a course description, and we have a course outline. All right. This is just getting generated based on your skills, hobbies, and interests, and a few other questions. Let's put a course logo on this puppy. I don't even know what we have in here. Let's go. We're going to go the AI factory. We're just going to go that wide one. All right. We're going to save that in there for our community logo. Monthly subscription to BizRise.io is $99. And the single course purchase, the how to develop a web app on FlutterFlow with me, is right now $49.99. $499.99. We're going to be in a 31-day class together. I'm going to show you start to finish how to develop this app on Flutter.